Welcome. In this video, I'll show you multiple ways to update the YouTube app on your Android device. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. The first method is just by opening up YouTube. And sometimes it will ask you or prompt you to update the YouTube app right here. If not, don't worry, you can just close the app. And the other way, or the easiest way, is find the Google Play Store, tap on it. Now use the search function right here at the bottom right. At the top, you have the search bar. Just type down YouTube, just like so. Tap on the search result. And if there's an update button right here, go ahead and tap on it. Just wait for the process to finish. Okay? If you don't have the update button, well, just don't worry about it. You already have the latest version. Okay? Now, another option, you may have a Samsung device and it may have been pre-installed. Okay? Well, you can just go out and find the application, which is from Google itself, or sometimes Android phone got its own app store. Okay, you can just find the store section, tap on it, wait for it to load, and then once it loads, go ahead over to your menu right here, and then you have the updates section. Just tap on it and update the app from here. Okay, you could go ahead and update all. And just wait for the process to finish. If you have YouTube, well, update it. All right. And those are the ways to update the YouTube app on an Android device. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.